Hi, this is the FOSSiBOT F101 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. First, open the control panel, and if you want to add here some options or remove some of them or just to change their positions, we should click here to the edit icon, and you'll see here this down section with invisible options. Just to add them to your panel, you should just hold the icon and drag it to the subsection. To remove some of the icons from here by the same way, hold the icon and drag it to this down section. And if you want to change the positions of the icons, you should just hold and drag it by this way. To reset the changes, tap on the right upper corner to these three dots and click to reset, or if you want to just save the changes, tap to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.